Okay, so I'm making a video right now. I have David, don't pause. Stop pausing FaceTime. David, we're recording right now.
I'm gonna be on in a second. You're recording right now?
Yeah. Of course I am.
Oh, wait.
David, say hi.
Hi, girl. How are you?
Okay, so David actually thought of this for like an hour, and I made a new challenge. Do you agree to join me? Well, on the phone, but do you agree to join me?
What's the challenge?
It's called the Raining Tissues Challenge. My dad had a lot of snarls, and well, I'm gonna be doing the Raining Tissues Challenge. You wanna join me, David?
Sure.
Okay, David, you go first on my phone. Oh my God, they're coming down! Ah! There's like so much. Ah! Oh my God, that's a lot of tissues. David, did you like the Raining Tissue Challenge?
Yeah.
Actually, wait, David, did you just get something? Speaking of that, what's the news? Okay, David. Now I'm gonna do it. Put on any music you want. Like put on like inspirational music, like hardcore music.
Okay, 1 second. Let me find my phone.
Oh, there's a bunch of tissues everywhere. Okay, I gotta clean it up. Done. Oh my God! Oh, that's actually really gross. And they're like really snotty, so ew. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so gross. Ew. Oh, they're everywhere on me. Ew. Okay, I can put them on me 2 more times. Should I do it one at a time or like all together? Cause I already did all together. I'm good. Oh my God, they're like really wet. It's like really gross. Oh, ew, gross. David, why are you still playing music? I hope this wall's not recorded. No, stop playing music. I'm gonna put tissues on you. Okay. Okay. David?
What?
I'm throwing tissues at you. Ah! Okay. Bye, guys. See you guys in the next video in about either tomorrow or in a week. Say bye, David. Bye, David.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye, guys.